So we're going to play Minecraft with. So we're going to do this. No, it's just going on. What's wrong with this guy? Yeah, man, that's the other log again. Sorry, God, but I should change again. Sorry. PvP. Later, I'm gonna show you the thing. So there we are. We're in the PvP player. It's a network. Minecraft mini games. So where are you? Where are you?
I'm in front of you.
Where? You're not in front of me.
I don't know.
Okay, let's just play. We're going to play build battle. Who wins will get the prize of the year.
Okay, build battles.
Wait for me.
Me too.
Okay.
Go!
So you're recording this?
Yes, I'm recording this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here you are. Is it you?
Yeah. I see you, Eric. 317. Hey!
Hi. Wait. Is it? It's look like backwards. Hi. Hi. I see you.
Come on, Eric. Let's do parkour.
Parkour.
Oh,
It's getting laggy. What the F?
what the fucking god?
Oh my god! Someone is using my skin. Why? Why madness? Madness. And
It's just Twitch. Oh yeah, someone is using your skin. Never mind. Someone's using your skin, Eric.
Yep. And you're. Yep. So how dare you?
Not like you. No one can use my skin because it's not public.
How do you make our own skin?
You can't.
So how do you make yours?
Oh,
Minion.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We need some.
Oh no, I'm glitched. Oh, there we go.
Let's make ourselves a freaking minion.
A minion.
So we need black wool and black wool. This gonna make the feet.
I need black. I need blue.
And then I forgot how to make a minion.
We can do double build battles. I don't think, right?
Yeah, maybe. I forgot how to do the double.
I don't think we can do double build battles. Comment down below, guys. Can we do double build battles?
Maybe. Or
Maybe not. Who will know?
We also make the overall.
The minion. I'm making Dave.
Okay. What's that?
You know, one of the minion from Despicable Me.
Is it minion from every minion or the minion of Discover Me?
Despicable Me.
It's so hard to draw the overall.
3 minutes left.
Oh my god, this is taking so fast. I will not draw. Let's make this thing. I'm going to make with the one eye Bob. Hey Bob.
I think it's Bob.
Then you have the logo, you're right.
Yeah, the G logo, but I just put a coal block there because it's too hard. Yeah.
Like minion and here. Yeah, let's do this. Put here. Oh my god! 2 minutes already!
What the hell did I make?
Yeah. Let's make an M logo. It just take 2 minutes.
You make a Nike logo.
No, I'm not gonna make it.
If you make a Nike logo, that's count as copyright.
Face.
Wait, if we make a minion. Does that mean it's copyright?
Yep. But mine is going to be a bad minion. Okay, great. It is triple.
The ends are so weird. Ah shit. Ah shit. Just a minion, guys. Wait.
What we need for that? Oh yeah. Richie. Let's go.
What the heck are you making?
The minion. So I'm going to make the eye. Where's the white wall?
What will also in the decorations? Decoration over here. Over here.
Oh, I know.
Why do you have less inventory bars?
Cause I'm using an iPhone.
And why is your controls like that?
Oh, make it more nice.
No, do you want me? Wait,
Yeah, I'm the one to do that. It's taking worse time.
fine. Hey, we vote super at each other. You wanna do that and cheat?
It's just going to be so wrong.
That's so wrong.
Oh my god, 3 seconds. I'm done, maybe.
Then
I'm
okay.
logo.
It is
It is
vote poop for all. Then ours is super.
no. It's just the one eye. I'm just give it okay. Don't be so rude.
Give me super and I'll give you super.
Oh, this is you. You look like ugly. I'm gonna give you some. You promise you give me super.
Okay, I promise. I promise. Deal.
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 Deal with it.
Deal with it.
Poop! Poop!
What?
Poop!
No. Oh my god. I don't think you're gonna be so rude. Well, I'm so good.
Is this yours?
Nope, it's not mine.
Poop!
I'm gonna say, okay. Hey, don't be so mean.
You gotta be mean.
No, I'm not.
Poop for all and all for you.
Oh, it's this cool. I'm gonna give it epic.
No, don't give it epic. What poop?
No, it's cool. It's freaking cool. Don't judge me.
It's horrible. Poopy poop. I'm sorry if you're watching this video and you're one of them. I'm sorry.
Don't say.
Oh, super.
It looks so weird.
Super.
It's even not just. Who will win? Who will freaking win? Who will win?
Here, I'll help you. Configure it.
I don't like that. I don't like the
Fine.
I'm more like my style.
Super minion. Poop.
Oh my god. This
is actually poop.
I give it. Okay, don't be so mean. I don't want to be mean guy.
But it's poop.
It's not poop.
Poop.
Oh my god, it's an apple. It's okay.
No, it's annoying orange. I mean annoying lemon.
It's grapefruit.
No, it is annoying lemon. Look, see?
You mean grandpa lemon?
Yeah.
Oh, I came second. Yay!
Yeah.
You came third. Yeah, I win. Yeah.
GG. Well, we're going to end this video here, guys. So see you all later. Goodbye.